Guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we are making air fryer seasoned asparagus in the Instant Pot using the air fryer lid. You guys look at that. Oh. Before we get started, if you're interested in any of the items that we use in the video, be sure to check the description box below and make sure you hit that like button for more videos on the Instant Pot air fryer lid, and hit that subscribe button because on this channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews, we're going to have a new video every single week this year, 2020, using the Instant Pot air fryer lid to make different recipes, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you guys like to eat with your asparagus. But let's go ahead and dive right into air frying asparagus. Okay, so what we're going to need today is one bunch of asparagus, and I already washed it, so after you have it washed, we're going to go ahead and cut it, and then you're going to need about 1/4, a quarter teaspoon of garlic salt, and I'm just using McCormick garlic salt, and we're going to use grapeseed oil, so I would say maybe max 1 tablespoon, but I'm using a oil mister that I just put the oil in here to make it a little bit easier for spraying it. So we're first going to go ahead and get started with cutting the asparagus, and we want to cut off about 2 inches of the asparagus from the stem, so we're going to go ahead and cut that off. So we're going to do right here. We're going to go ahead and discard this. I'm going to go ahead and get a bowl so that we can put the oil on it and spritz it, and then put the garlic salt, and we'll be back. Okay, now I have my bowl, and I have my asparagus in the bowl already. So I'm just going to go ahead and lightly spritz and move it around. Make sure you get it everywhere. That's all we're doing. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and take some garlic salt. You can add salt or sea salt if you wanted. I'm doing garlic salt so we get a little bit more flavor in there. Okay. Alright, so now our asparagus is seasoned, and we're going to come to the Instant Pot. Make sure your pressure cooker is unplugged. We're going to be using the air fryer lid, so let me get the air fryer lid and then we can start cooking. Okay, so it may seem a little dark, but we just have our air fryer basket attachment, and we're going to just add our asparagus in there. You can kind of do as evenly as the layers you can. It's okay if they're a little bit stacked on each other. We're going to churn the food. Then we're going to put our lid on top. Alright, so the temperature we want to set is air fry. We're going to do for 5 minutes, 390 degrees, and hit start, and we'll turn it at 5 minutes and do another 5 minutes on the other side. Okay, so there's still about 30 seconds remaining. We're going to go ahead and just move them around. Okay, we will add the lid back on, except now we're going to add more time. We're going to do an additional 5 minutes and let that finish, and we'll be ready to serve our asparagus. Alright, we're coming up on it finishing. Still 5 seconds left. Okay, we'll just hit end, put it back on our mat. You can kind of hear it crunching. So let's go ahead and pull it out, and we'll take a closer look. Okay, and here is the final result. We have our air fryer seasoned asparagus using the Instant Pot air fryer lid. You guys, look at how good that looks. Oh yeah. That's how you would make asparagus in the Instant Pot air fryer lid. Hit that like button, I would really appreciate it, and hit that subscribe button for new Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming to you guys every single week. this year, 2020, on Nighttime Mommy Reviews. We're going to have new recipes on this channel for the air fryer lid. So hit that subscribe. Let me know what you guys like to eat with your asparagus in the comments. Until next time, you guys have a great night.